GMA Network mihakot sa mga dagkong award sa baguhay lang gipahigayon nga Platinum Stallion National Media Awards 2023 sa Trinity University of Asia atong sayran sa report ni Chelo Vallena.
TV Station of the Year.
GMA 7.
Gideklarar nga TV Station of the Year ang GMA Network sa Platinum Stallion National Media Awards 2023 sa Trinity University of Asia. Midaog sab isip Regional TV Network of the Year ang GMA Regional TV sud na sa ikaunom kahigayon. Gidawat kini ni First Vice President and Head of GMA Regional TV and Synergy ug GMA Integrated News Acting Head Oliver Victor B. Amoroso uban ang pipila ka mga opisyal sa GMA Regional TV.
Hindi nabubuo yung taon namin. Oo, hindi nag-umpisa yung aming taon without your recognition. We will stay true to our corporate purpose, no, which is to enriching the lives of Filipinos everywhere with quality entertainment and delivery of news and information. Again, on behalf of the men and women of your Kapuso Network, maraming salamat po.
Giila sab nga Best TV News Program ang 24 oras. Samtang ang anchor niini nga si Vicky Morales ang Female News Anchor of the Year ug si Atom Araulio ang Male News Anchor of the Year alang sa State of the Nation. Best TV Sports Program host ang NCAA and Game On host nga si Martin Javier.
To be considered and to be dubbed as the best, it's truly such an incredible honor. It's an overwhelming feeling. So talagang sobrang grateful ko po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Trinity University of Asia at sa Platinum Stallion National Media Awards.
Best Morning Show ang unang hirit. Daog isip Documentary of the Year ang Eyewitness episode ni Atom Araulio nga Reclamation Nation. Best Documentary TV Show ang Eyewitness. Best News Magazine Program ang Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho ug ang host nga si Jessica Soho ang Best News Magazine host. Best Election Special Sub ang The Jessica Soho Presidential Interviews. Best Educational Program host si Drew Arellano alang sa AHA. Ang historical portal fantasy series nga Maria Clara at Ibarra daog isip Best Primetime Drama Series o culturally relevant TV series. Ang mga bida sa serye nga sila si Dennis Trillo o Barbie Forteza, ang Best Drama Actor o Actress. Sila si David Licauco o Andrea Torres, ang Best Actor in a Supporting Role o Best Actress in a Supporting Role. Ang abot kamay na pangarap, mao'y Television Drama of the Year. Ang Pepito Manaloto mao'y Best Comedy Program. Best Drama Anthology Program ang Magpakailanman. Best Educational Program ang Amazing Earth. Best Gag Show ang Bubble Gang ug Best Game Show ang Family Feud. Daog sab isip Best AM Radio Station of the Year ang DCWB Super Radio. AM Broadcast Journalist of the Year si Mike Enriquez alang sa DCWB. Si Born to be Wild Executive Producer Richelle Figueroa ang Trinitian Media Educator for Television. Mabani Clans Gabutin, Chalo Vallena, GMA Regional TV Live.